sister-brother love. It was a bright Sunday morning. Naina was lying in her bed, reliving the memories of yesterday, when she was showered with praises and accolades. The deafening sound of applause was still ringing in her ears. What else a sitar player can ask for, especially when you are still in school? "Why are you still in bed? Did you finish your homework?" Naina's mother broke her reverie. Yes ma. I finished it before the concert," Naina responded. Her mother sighed and carried on with her chores. Naina's elder brother, Ravi, walked into her room. "You were awesome yesterday. I am sure, one day, you will become a famous sitar player, and the whole world will know your name." His chest swelled with pride. "Exams are near too. I hardly get time to practice, and what you are saying will require a lot of practice." "You can find time for both. Don't worry. You will get there one day," said Ravi with assurance and affection in his eyes. He reminisced the days when he had to give up his dream of becoming a dancer after their father's untimely death. Although he recently started working at a BPO, he could never forget about the several competitions he won at school. A few months later, when the exam results were out, Naina had a mix of emotions. She was glad she did well, but also knew it was time for college. Day after day, Naina felt that her dream was drifting away from her. "I knew you would do well," Ravi congratulated Naina when he learned about her grades. "Thanks, brother. I guess it's time to say goodbye to my dream and take studies more seriously," she replied with a lump in her voice. "Yes, get into a nice college, study hard, but also play the sitar," he said. "Come, I want to show you something." He took her to the next room, where a sitar was lying on the table, with a note that said, "Never stop playing." He had been saving money every month to gift a sitar to her sister. "This is for you. I have also arranged sitar lessons for you during the weekends," he added. Naina didn't know what to say, but her tears said it all. Embracing her, Ravi chuckled, "You can pay me back with free tickets for your concerts." Naina let out a big smile, the smile of determination, gratitude, and love. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.